This product happens when the world's top provider of underwater gear teams up with the US Navy. The module is advertised as the first hand-free underwater navigation device in the military markets. It is easy to use even in the murkiest of waters. The navigation module is attached to the diving mask and uses a game-like projection display to show essential data such as course depth and dive time. It even lets the user adjust brightness and switch between meters and feet. The module is designed to catch the interest of both military and civilian experts, making diving easier, even in the harshest of situations. This product will immediately catch your eye if you have ever played Tom Clancy's The Division. The turrets shown in the game are used to solve various tasks, and similar variants have also been made in the real world. The manufacturer claims it has a range of over 0.6 miles and can memorize up to 10 targets simultaneously. With an impressive 330-degree observation and defeat range, it can be operated autonomously or through a smart glove. If one wants to describe Mantis RCWS in a single word, versatility will sum it up best. The module comes in different versions, making them suitable for mounting on any vehicle, IFVs, and even warships, featuring a 7.62mm machine gun and a modular optic system for advanced reconnaissance, aiming and firing. The module can be customized to engage targets with a 12.7mm machine gun and 30 to 40mm grenade launcher. The modules are practical against UAVs, and the manufacturers are willing to create highly customized Mantis modules to suit each customer's specific requirements. Since the dawn of time, the infantry has always loved their body armor, and you can usually judge how good a soldier is based on how squared away their body armor looks. This next generation of body armor aims to solve the existing challenges better. This exoskeleton allows the soldier to easily carry up to 300 pounds of weight and heavy weapons. Optimized for physical and cognitive performance, it's designed to be lightweight and flexible, allowing maximum battlefield mobility. The armor also has intelligent technology to monitor vital signs and alert the wearer to threats. This highly innovative military technology comes straight from Israel. Developed by Elbit Systems, the IronVision enables tanks, combat vehicles, and armored units to gain a 360-degree view straight through the armor. Made possible from a combination of mounted cameras and unique helmets, the system prevents motion sickness thanks to its image correction algorithms. Offering a high-definition, real-time image, it can be used during day and night operations. It also comes equipped with augmented reality, making it an excellent tool for training purposes. Developed by a team of 3 former snipers, Advanced Accuracy Solutions aims to bring an exciting solution to precision shooting. Once installed, the system offers additional support to the shooter. It helps reduce fatigue and maintains accuracy over prolonged periods. Whether aerial fire support or counter-sniper fire, the system helps ensure precise shots from any shooting position. This patented system is also available for purchase. This 5th-generation unmanned ground vehicle is developed by Textron System for reconnaissance, surveillance, bomb disposal and target acquisition. Equipped with various sensors and radars, the M5 can be operated by a controller sitting away in a command center. It can also house a variety of weapons, including a 30mm cannon, a 7.62mm machine gun and a grenade launcher, which its operator can use to engage at hostiles. Hailing from Germany, this multi-purpose armoured vehicle is designed to accompany troops in various missions. Equipped with a hybrid propulsion system and advanced amphibious capabilities, it can transport payloads up to 1,000 kilograms with a range of 450 kilometers on a single fuel tank and up to 50 kilometers on its electric motor. It is equipped with various sensors, radars and cameras, allowing it to be operated in both day and night conditions. With an onboard artificial system, it can be controlled both manually and autonomously. Considered the world's most advanced and accurate missile defense system, this military invention is complemented with its counterpart, the Iron Dome. The Iron Beam uses a 100 kilowatt laser to target incoming missiles within a time span of 4 to 5 seconds and has an intercepting range of over 10 kilometers. This particular solution makes it economical and unrestricted in terms of ammunition. Plus, it can be easily transported by mounting it on a truck chassis. Funded by the Israeli government, the Iron Beam is expected to be deployed to other foreign countries in the upcoming years. Developed by the world's most famous weapons manufacturer, this missile system was created to fill an operational gap in maritime dominance and deep land strike systems. With an effective range of over 186 miles, the missile can precisely hit the targets in any weather and time of the day. The ship and the land-based operating system coordinate with the help of AI algorithms to identify targets and deliver precise strikes. Operable even during electronic warfare, a single strike is deadly enough to down a frigate. This tactical surveillance system is about flexible surveillance with Recon Drones. Developed by Xtender, a company known for its extended reality and artificial intelligence, the operators can use more than a single drone using augmented reality without needing any skills. The device can fly up to a distance of 2 kilometers on a single charge and carry a payload of up to 150 grams if necessary. Plus, they work great within confined spaces and do not need GPS to navigate. The future is not far away, where the police and military may have surveillance systems built into their shields. This military tech weighs as low as 3 kilos, but packs a serious punch regarding its surveillance capabilities. With the ability to see up to 8 meters through reinforced concrete walls, the Xaver 400 can transmit data as far as 100 meters. Effective in clustered areas, the tech can distinguish between stationary and moving objects. First used during World War II to deceive the German army, these air-filled rubber pieces are still used by NATO members. The company produces over 50 lifelike inflatable tanks per month, each weighing around 100 kilograms. Yet, it only takes 4 people and 10 minutes to set up. Each decoy tank can cost upward of $100,000, but this hasn't deterred customers from buying them. As of last year, the sales have gone up by 30%.